10 episodes of 10 Things at Space. Episode 1. A black void. No light, no sound. Just nothing. Then, boom, time itself begins. 1. The universe was the size of a marble, or smaller. Before you had breakfast this morning, the universe was once smaller than an atom. In the first trillionth of a second, it exploded outward in an event we call the Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, an explosion of space. 2. Time was born with the bang. There was no before. Time itself began with the Big Bang. Asking what came before the Big Bang is like asking, what's north of the North Pole? Mind blown. 3. Inflation was faster than the speed of light. In the first one, followed by 31 seconds, the universe inflated faster than the speed of light. That's not breaking physics, because space-time itself can stretch faster than light can travel through it. Loophole science. Or, the universe was pure energy, then, boom, particles. At first, it was all energy. No atoms, no matter, just raw power. Then it cooled just enough for the first particles to form. Quarks and gluons started to tango. 5. Matter almost didn't win. For every billion particles of antimatter, there were 1,000,000,001 particles of matter. That 1 in a billion difference is why we exist. Everything you see, it's made of leftovers. 6. The universe was a glowing fog. About 380,000 years later, electrons and protons finally chilled out and paired up, forming neutral hydrogen. Light was finally free to travel. This is the cosmic microwave background we still detect today. 7. Space was literally opaque for 380,000 years. Before light could move freely, the universe was a glowing, hot fog where photons couldn't go 2 inches without bumping into something. It took almost 400,000 years to become transparent. 8. The first elements were born in 3 minutes. In the first few minutes, nuclear fusion created hydrogen, helium, and traces of lithium. That's it. No oxygen, no carbon, no gold. Those would come later, cooked in the hearts of stars. 9. Sound waves echoed through the early cosmos. Yes, the early universe had pressure waves, like sound rippling through a hot soup. These became the seeds of galaxies, cosmic bass drops from the birth of everything. 10. The universe still echoes that moment today. Point a satellite dish at the sky, and 1% of the static you hear is from the Big Bang itself. That first light still hums across the cosmos, billions of years later. Stay tuned for episode 2, The First Stars, when the universe lit up for the first time.